Student, it is exercise 7.5 from NCERT and see the question number 1. Here integrate x upon x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx. So first of all we will make the partial fraction. So partial fraction of x upon x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x plus 2. Student, here important thing is this: whenever there is a linear factor, we will take the one constant a and b. So now take the LCM, x plus 1 into x plus 2. Then it is a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1, and there is a x upon x plus 1 into x plus 2. For one linear factor there is a one constant, for other linear factor there is a other constant. Now here this is cancel out, so it is x into x equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. This is the main equation. To find the value of a and b, for the value of a, we will put x plus 1 equal to 0 or x equal to minus 1. So it is minus 1 equal to a into minus 1 plus 2 plus b into 0. Then minus 1 equal to a, or we can say value of a equal to minus 1. Now to find the value of b, we will put x plus 2 equal to 0. Then x equal to minus 2, and here it is minus 2 equal to a into 0 plus b into minus 2 plus 1. So minus 2 equal to minus b. Minus minus cancel, b equal to 2. Now we will put the value of a and b in the here. So integration IB equal to a is minus integration minus 1 upon x plus 1 dx plus b is 2. So it is 2 upon x plus 2 dx. Then it is minus log of x plus 1 plus 2 into log of x plus 2 plus c. This is the integration of x upon x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx. Now the type 2. In this type, question number 7. Here it is integration x upon x square plus 1 into x minus 1 dx. Student, first of all we will make the partial fraction of x upon x square plus 1 and x minus 1. Student, see there is a quadratic term. So for quadratic term there are the linear expression ax plus b upon x square plus 1 plus c upon x minus 1. Here important thing is this: whenever there is a quadratic term, then partial fraction will be linear. Now take the LCM. LCM is x square plus 1 into x minus 1. It is a x plus b into x minus 1 plus c into x square plus 1. And this side x upon x square plus 1 and x minus 1. Now this LCM is cancelled out. So important equation x equal to ax plus b into x minus 1 plus c into x square plus 1. To find the value of a, b and c, we will apply the method, substitution method. For c, we will put x minus 1 equal to 0 or x equal to 1. Then it is 1 equal to ax plus b into 0 plus c into 1 square plus 1. Then 1 equal to 0 plus c into 2 or value of c equal to 1 upon 2. To find the value of a and b, we will compare the coefficient of different power of x. Now comparing the coefficient of x square both sides. Since in the right hand side there is no term of x square, so coefficient is 0, and this side, left hand side, we will get a coefficient of x square is a. When ax is multiplied by a with x, we will get a. When c multiplied with x square, we will get c. So a equal to minus c, and it is minus 1 upon 2. For b, take the constant term, taking constant term from both sides. From both sides. We will get this side no constant term, so 0 equal to minus b plus c. From this we will get b equal to c, and value of c is 1 by 2, so it is also 1 by 2. Now put the value of a, b, c here, then we will integrate. So I equal to integration a is minus 1 upon 2 x upon x square plus 1 dx plus b is 1 by 2 integration dx upon x square plus 1, and c is minus 1 by 2 integration dx upon x minus 1. In this integration, derivative of x square plus 1 is present, so we will suppose x square plus 1 equal to t, or it is 2x plus 0 equal to dt over dx. From this we will get dx equal to dt upon 2x. So it is minus 1 by 4 integration dt upon t. Here x cancel out. It is 1 upon 2. Its integration is tan inverse x. It is 1 upon 2 integration log mod x minus 1. Then its integration of 1 upon t is log t. So minus 1 upon 4 log, and value of t is x square plus 1 plus 1 upon 2 tan inverse x minus 1 upon 2 log mod x minus 1 plus c. So this is the type 2, in which one of the factor is quadratic.